Well, hello from sunny South Texas. We're at Benson Palm Village. Retama Village, and it is a RV community.
Hi!
It's an RV community that is 55 plus and a little bit different. We really like it here.
Yeah, people are so nice here, and I just lost my thought.
Anyway, we're going to show you a little bit of our lot and a little bit of the community, and they have an open house today of some of the lots that are for sale.
So we're hoping to be able to show you guys what it looks like to live here in South Texas.
So this community is a little bit different. It's they have RV pads, full hookups, 50 amp water and sewer, and then they also have what they call a coach house on the site. Some, for instance, where we're staying is what they call phase 1, and those coach houses are the smallest, and then they went into a phase 2, a little bigger coach house. Phase 3 was even bigger. It's actually a 1-bedroom, and then they also have in the community regular homes, port homes that have covered parking for your RV, and regular houses that have parking for your RV with full hookups as well. So, and you kind of get an idea of the area. This is what it looks like down our street, and it's just full of RVs. Our site is very long and very wide, plenty of room for our coach and the truck, and we have a covered picnic area out in the back, patio area. We can park this truck and the smart car out front. The truck has plenty of room to pull in with the coach, and then that's the coach house there. And we're hoping to show you the interiors of some of these coach houses. They're really unique, and people have really done some neat things with them. So this is our patio area, and as I say, it's got a covered pergola, and you know, plenty of room for eating out and just kind of enjoying the outdoors. And so anyway, we're gonna hopefully go take a look at some of the coach houses and some of the lots that are for sale, and hopefully take you along.
Hi, we're here at our friends Ed and Marilyn's place, and they're going to show us what their cottage looks like. They are in the process of selling it, so let's go take a look and see what the inside of theirs looks like.
Okay. So they have bay doors out front, and they can open them both. They've got a screened off the front there. They've got a really nice lounge area here in the patio, again with a pergola, but lots and lots of room. Nice propane fireplace and lots of seating. They've got an exterior door here on the side that they can enter there through there, along with a window. And then they've got covered storage out back, which is weatherproof, which is where they can store their tools and their garbage can and different items. So as we walk into the front here, I think we just slide that. There we go.
There we go.
Okay. This is one of the nicest coach houses that we've seen. They did a really nice job on the ceiling, and as you can see, cut out in the ceiling, and then they put the fan, and then they've got lights along the edges. They put some very nice shelving in for their knickknacks. And there's that door from the side, from the patio area, so you can get in two places. But you know, they really did a nice job on the decor in here.
All the little details is really...
Yeah.
Really nice.
Got a nice little electric fireplace. They can open up their bay doors and enjoy the seating out front, which is most everybody does here. Very nice tiled floors and the trim work. And then in the back here, they've got a medium-sized fridge with a microwave and a pizza drawer and a little kitchenette with a sink, kind of like a wet bar. And then around the corner here, they've got a full bathroom, toilet, shower, sink. And then what a lot of the folks do is they will stack washer and dryer, and Ed and Marilyn said that they have a washer and dryer inside their coach, so they use it for storage, but most people would put a stacked washer and dryer in there. And then in the attic, they've actually put the foam insulation, they've blown it onto the ceiling. He's got a hot water heater in the attic. Just really nicely done. But there's a lot of room. You know, you can come out here and with the AC, he says it stays very cool in the summertime, and with the electric fireplace, it takes the chill off in the wintertime. But this is what they do with their coach houses. And then you can walk out the bay doors and you're in your driveway or patio or however you want to use it. All the lots have got vegetation and grass, which is taken care of by the homeowners association. Palm trees galore up and down the street. So that's what a coach house looks like. Here's next door to Ed and Marilyn's, and they've got a big Class A diesel pusher, Allegro bus, and this is another example of the casita.
This is really cute.
Yeah.
So this is the patio area out back, and nice big tree in the back. This also has the storage area in the back, but there's no cover. A lot of the people have put a weatherproof cover on top to be able to keep tools and whatnot and keep the weather out, but this one's open. Okay, so we've seen some of the phase 1 casitas, and now we come across a phase 2, what they call the phase 2 development, which is a little bigger casita. The lot is still the same, but they increased the size of the building, and these folks have been gracious enough to let us take a look and see. So this one does not have the bay doors out front, but it does have a bay window, a sitting window. The pad is still the same with full hookups on the back, full concrete. What is kind of unique about this particular casita is they've actually, well, I'll start from the back. So this is a corner lot, which is very nice. There's the RV pedestals in the corner lot. Again, big wide. This particular lot backs up to the green belt here, and those are houses, port homes, where you can park your RV inside the house over there. So back here they have put in a covered storage, which is really quite nice. It's completely weatherproof, and you can actually put quite a few things in here, but it is weather tight and insulated, which makes it kind of nice. And then what they did with their extra space, which I think is kind of unique, is they added this extra door here. And if you open this door, it actually gives you a small laundry room, which is kind of nice, because then you don't have the sound of the washer and dryer in the main living area. You can put a full size rather than stackable. It's just kind of a nice little laundry closet, if you will, laundry room. And then they have the double bay doors on the side, which both open up. And the space in here is quite unique. What they've done is they've put kind of a kitchenette area as soon as you walk through the door, with very nice cabinets. They have a Mitsubishi mini split. They put, there's the sitting window up front, and nicely tiled. They've put a ceiling fan in. They did not tray the ceiling though. They did not raise the ceiling, but it is high enough. And then as soon as you walk in the door again, to the right is a mid-sized fridge with coat hanging. And then they have a full bath inside. So they've got the medicine cabinet, the full shower. It is an insert shower with the toilet. And then they've got the vanity mirror and the lights and the sink. So this is what you can do with a little bit bigger space in the casitas. And it's, as I say, it's been tastefully done. Well, that was kind of fun.
Yeah, it was.
It was, it was basically a 3-hour open house.
And we were out all three
hours.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I am too.
We're getting over the bug. I don't know if it's a flu, but...
And it was a little chilly today.
And it was, yeah.
They had a cold front come through last night, and it cooled things off fast.
Yeah, it would get warm, and then the clouds would come in, and it would freeze, and it's breezy right now, but...
It didn't freeze.
No, I was freezing.
It didn't freeze.
I'm freezing because I'm not feeling good. Anyway.
But we had, it was fun. It was fun to see how everybody decorated their own coach houses and what they've done and how they've done it, and the different, things that people have done to their properties. So it's been, hope you enjoyed it. It was, we enjoyed looking at them, and we enjoy ourselves here.
It is. It's a nice place here. The weather could be warmer, but
yeah,
we're hopeful.
Well, it's supposed to warm up again by the end of the week, so we'll be okay.
Yeah, we will. It's
so
not
anyway,
snowing, like I always say. It's not snowing, so.
This was an open house that was actually put on by the local realtor, and then the people that were for sale by owner could also put out signs and show their homes. And I guess they've done this in the past, and they would just different random people would open up their homes to see how they were decorated and let people see what they've done to the inside, even though they weren't for sale. So it's been kind of fun looking at the different styles and what people have done to their own little casitas to make them their own. And
you get to meet them and talk with them, and it was fun. It was really a fun thing that we did.
It was. So we've had a long day. My feet hurt.
I'm tired.
We caught the crud, and so we're trying to get over the crud. Our friends a few lots down have invited us to go visit Nuevo, what is it? Progreso,
I think.
Nuevo
Mexico.
Mexico
We're gonna
tomorrow.
go to Mexico tomorrow and have lunch and shop.
So we're going to get picked up in the morning. And,
I know, we don't even have to drive. We just get picked up and
so we get to
chauffeured over.
Yeah, we get chauffeured over to the border and go
use our passports.
Yep, and see what that's all about. So we'll take the camera along, and hopefully we'll get some good video of that.
Yeah.
So anyway, I hope you enjoy this little shot of what we're calling paradise for a few months.
Yep.
And we went to church this morning, and then we went to Costco.
It was a
and
great
then we
service.
Then we got the open house.
It's just a great day. We went to Costco and had lunch. I mean, come on, chicken bake. Thumbs up for chicken bake.
And a hot dog.
Oh, but we need to do a shout out to our grandbabies that we miss a whole bunch. And first we're going to say, we love you, Cole and Ainsley. Mwah, we miss you.
Yes, we do.
And Corbin and Colton. Colton's 4 years old today. Today's his birthday, so we have to say,
Happy birthday, Colton.
We love you. Happy birthday, and we miss you and Corbin so much. So, and the kids too. We miss you, kids. I think that's it. I'm just rambling. So
we're going to wrap this up. We're going to call it a day. It's been a great day, and I think the video is going to be long enough to put up.
I think so. I think you can probably do it today.
No.
Well,
No. I got new video editing software, so it's going to take me a while.
That's true.
So hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. Costs you nothing.
Yeah.
And
then you get to see us every week. How exciting.
Try to put out a video every week. So far, we've been doing pretty good.
Yeah, so far.
And we would like you to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want notifications of our weekly videos, if you forget and want to be reminded, hit the little bell icon and subscribe.
It's probably over there.
And don't forget to leave us comments. You know, you can leave us silly comments if you want to. Just leave us comments.
Just be nice.
We love to stay in touch with everybody and see what everybody's thinking. If you just want to say hello, or you want to say, hey, how come you don't video this? Then we'd like to see that too. But leave your comments below, and we respond to every single one of them so far.
Yep, so far. So far, so good.
So anyway, we're going to wrap this up. And so now it's time to say goodbye and
go out and explore.
There you go. We'll see you later.